How to install a pendant. Installing pendant lighting is an easy DIY job. Now, unlike chandeliers, pendants hang from downrods or cord and have fewer lights. Pendants come in many styles and sizes and are a great choice for kitchen island lighting or smaller dining areas. Let's get started. First of all, if you're not comfortable working with electrical wiring, we strongly recommend using the services of a licensed professional electrician. Second, make sure that you fully read and follow the manufacturer's instructions for all of the steps that we talk about here. And always, be safe. Make sure that the wall power switch is in the off position and that the power is turned off at your breaker box. Now, you can also use a voltage meter to double check at the ceiling junction box that your power is turned off. Now, let's take a look at what's inside the box. Pendants come with a cord or use a downrod system. Some use a combination of both. There will also be a ceiling canopy. This covers the ceiling opening to the junction box. Then there's the light itself and screws or other hardware. The screws provided will work in most cases, but you may need to source some of your own. You're gonna need a screwdriver, a wire cutter, and a stepladder. Begin by determining the hanging height for your design. Now, if you need tips for this process, check out our video on that topic as well. Trim the cord or wire as needed. If your design uses downrods, combine the various lengths provided to get the height that you want. After attaching the back plate, let's connect the wiring. For downrods, thread the wiring through the stems. There's going to be 3 end wires: a white wire, a black wire, and a ground wire. First, wrap that ground wire around the back plate grounding screw. Tighten that screw. Use a twist-on connecting nut to join that ground wire to the junction box grounding wire. Strip about a ½ inch of insulation off of the white and black wires. Use that twist-on connecting nut to connect the white wire to the white wire on the junction box. Do the same for the black wire. Carefully tuck the wires into the junction electrical box or the canopy. Secure the canopy in place and tighten any screws. Insert any bulbs needed. Turn the power back on. Make sure the light works. Explore more at lampsplus.com, and for more install tips, follow us. We'll light the way.